Some secrets are worth dying for. But what happens when the victim sends a message from beyond the grave? Can a text message solve a murder? Welcome to Quicktail English. Today's story, The Last Message, is a thrilling way to practice English at your A2 B1 level. Detective Miller was having a terrible Tuesday. It was raining heavily. He was standing outside a small, dark apartment building. A young man, a journalist named Finn, had been found dead inside. The time of death was last night, around 11 p.m. No sign of forced entry. He was working on his laptop when it happened. Miller looked at the table. Finn's laptop was closed. Later that morning, the woman, Anna, arrived at the station. She was crying. Did Finn have any enemies? Miller asked gently. Anna said, Finn was a great reporter. He was working on a huge secret investigation. He said it was about corruption in the city council. Did he tell you any details? He would never tell me the details, but yesterday, an hour after he died, I received a text message from him. Miller stopped writing. A text message? How is that possible? Anna showed him her phone. The message was simple. The key is at the clock tower. Look for 412 F. The timestamp was 12:03 a.m. Finn had died at 11 p.m. It is probably a delayed message, Miller muttered, or an automated draft. But what does it mean? Anna explained. Finn was obsessed with the old clock tower downtown. He used to say it was the best place to hide things. And 412, that was the name of the secret case he was working on. I had never seen the file. Miller knew he had to check the clock tower. They went inside. The air smelled like old wood and rust. They climbed hundreds of wooden steps. Finally, they reached the clock mechanism. Miller looked for anything unusual. Look! Anna pointed to a small wooden panel near the main bell. Engraved on the wood was the number 412.
Miller opened the panel. Inside, there was a small old key wrapped in a piece of paper. The paper had Finn's handwriting. It's about the old port. The old port was the city's next big construction project. It was worth millions. They rushed back to the apartment. They opened every drawer, but found nothing. He was working on his laptop when he died, Miller repeated. He must have hidden something in the computer. They examined the laptop. It needed a password. Anna tried Finn's birthday, his dog's name, but nothing worked. Anna had an idea. Maybe the key is the password, not a word, but the shape of a key. They looked at the keyboard. The key was long and thin. Miller pressed a sequence of long, thin keys on the keyboard. Locked. The screen flashed. The laptop opened. Inside, there was a single document named 412 Final. The report contained photos and documents proving that 3 city council members had accepted large bribes to sell the old port land cheaply. Finn had prepared this report to publish it. Miller realized Finn had sent a text message at 12:03 a.m. because he had set a timer on his laptop to automatically send a message if he didn't stop it by midnight. He had known he was in danger. Finn had died an hour before the message was sent, but his work had lived on. The key to the clock tower was the key to the laptop. The secret case was now public. The next morning, 3 city council members were arrested. Anna wrote the story that Finn had started. Miller stood at the clock tower again. It was not just a building. It was a tombstone for a brave journalist. Finn had lost his life, but his last message had ensured justice.
In this mystery, we mastered the past perfect. We used it to show which action happened before another action in the past. Finn had died before the message was sent. It's essential for detective stories. Here are some new words we learned today. Forced entry, investigation, corruption, timestamp, engraved, bribes, disqualified, tombstone. If you want more thrilling mysteries and grammar lessons for A2 B1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend.
Tell us in the comments, what is the most creative place you would hide a secret key? We will see you next time. And remember, a message is only truly dead when the truth stays hidden. Until then, stay safe and goodbye.